In this video, you'll learn how to combine shipping on eBay when a customer orders multiple items. By following these steps, you will streamline the shipping process and potentially save on shipping costs for both you and your buyer. Begin by logging into your eBay Seller Hub. Once logged in, navigate to the Orders section where you will see a list of all recent purchases. Carefully identify the orders placed by the same buyer that you need to combine into a single shipment. Ensure that these items have not yet been paid for, as combined invoices work best before payment is completed. If the buyer has already paid separately, you may need to refund the shipping difference later. It is also important to review the item sizes and weights to confirm they can safely be packed together and ensure that combining the shipment will reduce overall shipping costs. This preparation is essential to avoid errors before sending the invoice. Next, select the multiple orders from the same buyer. Locate the Send Invoice option available in the Order Actions menu. This feature allows you to manually adjust the total amount before the buyer submits payment. On the invoice page, modify the shipping costs to reflect the actual combined shipping expense instead of charging. It is crucial to double check the revised total to ensure accuracy and fairness. While adjusting the amount, consider factors such as the package dimensions, shipping carrier rates, and the destination location. Providing a reasonable shipping discount not only encourages customer satisfaction, but can also lead to repeat purchases. After adjusting the shipping charges, review the final invoice one more time to ensure all items are included correctly. It can be helpful to add a short message to the buyer explaining that you have combined the shipping cost for their convenience. Once you are satisfied with the invoice, click the Sender button so the buyer receives the updated invoice notification immediately. At this point, you will need to wait for the buyer to complete the payment based on the revised total amount. Once payment is confirmed, proceed to package the items securely in one shipment to prevent any damage during transit. It is advisable to use appropriate packing materials to ensure the items are well protected. After securely packing the items, print the shipping label and upload the tracking information to complete the order properly. This step is vital for maintaining transparency with the buyer and ensuring they can track their shipment. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.